To insert columns into your text, navigate to the top toolbar and click Page Layout, and then click on Columns. This will give you a few different options. You can choose between the number of columns, whether you want them to sit on the right or the left-hand side, etc. You can access more column options by clicking on Columns, More Columns, and this will bring up further options in a new window. You can choose the number of columns, so you can increase this. You can also change the width of the columns individually to affect each different type of column. You can change the spacing between the columns. You can choose whether or not this affects a whole document or a certain section, etc. Once you've finished choosing your options, then you can press OK. If you wish to revert back just to one column, again, if you go to Page Layout at the top, Columns, and then press 1, and this will revert it back to normal.